You don't need words to make someone think about you. In fact, some of the strongest attraction in human psychology happens in complete silence. No flirting, no conversation, no trying too hard. Just presence, energy. Small moments people can't explain afterward. Have you ever noticed how some people enter a room quietly and still become impossible to ignore? Nobody understands exactly why, but everyone feels it. And maybe you've wondered about this yourself. How do some people get noticed without even speaking? The answer is deeper than appearance, deeper than confidence. It's psychological, because humans are constantly reading emotional signals, even when nobody says a word. Most people think attraction starts with talking. It doesn't. Talking only confirms what people already feel emotionally. The real connection often begins before words ever happen, in eye contact, in presence, in emotional energy. In subtle behavior, the brain notices automatically. That's why sometimes you remember someone deeply, even though you barely spoke to them at all. And honestly, those silent moments often feel stronger than conversation. Think about the last person who made you curious emotionally, not because they talked non-stop. Usually, it was someone harder to read, someone calmer, someone who carried quiet confidence. Your brain kept noticing them, trying to understand them, trying to feel them emotionally. That's how attention works psychologically. Humans are drawn toward emotional tension, and silence creates tension naturally. Most people destroy their own presence by trying too hard, too much talking, too much explaining, too much seeking approval. But emotional attraction grows strongest when there's space. Space for curiosity, space for mystery, space for emotional imagination. That's why silence can become magnetic when used naturally. Not fake silence, not coldness, calm presence. There's a difference, a huge difference. Have you ever looked across a room and suddenly felt someone noticing you? Nobody spoke. Nothing happened outwardly, but something shifted emotionally. That feeling is real, because humans are extremely sensitive to attention, especially focused attention. That's why eye contact changes everything. Not aggressive staring, not trying to look confident. Real eye contact, calm, present, steady. Most people break eye contact quickly because emotional attention feels vulnerable. But when someone holds eye contact calmly, the brain interprets it differently. This person is emotionally secure. And emotional security feels rare today, which makes it attractive instantly. The strange part is, people don't remember perfect words very long, but they remember emotional feelings. They remember tension, energy, presence. That's why someone average-looking with strong emotional presence can become more memorable than someone physically attractive without presence at all. Because attraction is emotional before it becomes logical. There's another thing people rarely talk about: stillness. Most people move with nervous energy constantly, checking phones, fidgeting, seeking distraction, trying to avoid silence. But emotionally grounded people move differently, more slowly, more intentionally, and the human brain notices calmness immediately. Why? Because calmness signals emotional stability. And emotional stability creates trust. Trust creates curiosity. Curiosity creates attraction. All before words happen. Have you ever noticed how some people seem comfortable simply existing? They're not performing constantly, not trying to entertain everyone, not forcing energy. And somehow, that makes people watch them even more, because emotional independence feels powerful. Most people unconsciously seek validation constantly. Attention attention, approval, recognition, but someone emotionally comfortable without external validation feels rare, and rare things naturally pull attention. Sometimes people think they need to become louder to be noticed, but loudness creates temporary attention. Presence creates lasting attention. There's a huge difference. Anyone can become loud. Very few people become emotionally memorable. And emotional memory usually forms through subtle emotional experience. A look, a pause, calmness, mystery. Small moments the brain keeps replaying afterward. More than people realize. Not fake mystery, natural mystery. The kind created when someone doesn't reveal everything immediately. When someone stays emotionally grounded instead of emotionally exposed. The brain hates unfinished emotional information. That's why people keep thinking about emotionally mysterious individuals afterward, trying to understand them, trying to figure them out, trying to complete the emotional puzzle. Most attraction psychology is actually attention psychology. What captures emotional attention? Not perfection. Difference. Emotional impact. That's why people who are completely themselves often become more attractive than people trying hard to impress everyone. Authenticity creates emotional clarity, and humans trust emotional clarity instinctively, even silently. There's also power in selective attention. Emotionally intelligent people don't give their energy everywhere, and humans notice where attention flows. When someone becomes fully present with another person, without distractions, without fake performance, that emotional focus feels intense. Because deep attention is rare today. Most people listen halfway, look halfway, exist halfway. But presence, real presence, that changes how people feel around you instantly. Think about how emotionally exhausting modern life feels sometimes. Everyone performing constantly, trying to appear interesting constantly, trying to prove value constantly. And then suddenly, someone calm appears, someone grounded, someone not chasing attention desperately. That emotional contrast becomes powerful immediately. Because peace feels rare in a loud world. People also underestimate body language emotionally. Not fake alpha body language. Real emotional body language. Relaxed shoulders, steady breathing, comfortable silence, slow reactions. These things communicate emotional confidence without speaking. And the brain processes these signals automatically, long before logic gets involved. That's why some people feel attractive before you fully understand why. Have you ever wondered why emotionally secure people often seem harder to ignore? It's because emotional security changes behavior naturally. They don't rush conversations, don't seek approval in every interaction, don't panic emotionally during silence. And that emotional steadiness creates emotional gravity. People feel pulled toward grounded energy, especially if their own mind feels chaotic. There's something else happening too. Humans remember people who make them emotionally aware of themselves. And silence does that. When someone stays calm and present, other people suddenly become more aware of their own nervousness, their own emotions, their own behavior. That's why quiet confidence can feel intimidating sometimes, because calm presence acts like a mirror, and mirrors reveal emotional truth. Emotionally attractive people also understand emotional restraint. They don't reveal everything immediately, not because they're playing games, because emotional pacing matters. When someone reveals everything instantly, the brain stops wondering. Curiosity disappears, but emotional tension grows through gradual discovery. That's why some people become unforgettable slowly, not instantly. Think about your own experiences honestly. Who stayed in your mind longer? The person constantly trying to impress you, or the person who felt emotionally calm and slightly mysterious? Usually the second one, because emotional memory forms strongest around emotional tension. And mystery creates tension naturally. People who make strong emotional impressions without talking often understand one thing deeply. Energy communicates before words do. Your emotional state enters the room before your voice ever does. Your calmness, your insecurity, your desperation, your peace. Humans feel these things instinctively. That's why trying too hard often pushes people away emotionally. Desperation creates emotional pressure, but calmness creates emotional space, and emotional space feels attractive. Most people fear silence because silence creates vulnerability. You cannot hide behind noise anymore. And emotionally secure people become comfortable with that vulnerability. Comfortable being seen. Comfortable existing without constant performance. That emotional comfort changes how others experience them. Because humans deeply crave authenticity, even while fearing it themselves. There's another hidden reason silent attraction feels so strong. The brain fills emotional gaps automatically. When someone gives limited emotional information, your imagination starts working harder. You think about them more, wonder about them more, project emotional meaning onto them more. That's why emotionally reserved people often become psychologically magnetic unintentionally. Not because they manipulate attention, because mystery naturally captures human focus. But silence alone is not enough. Coldness is not attraction. Disconnection is not attraction. The difference is warmth. Emotionally attractive silence still feels emotionally open. There's softness in the eyes, calmness in the energy, presence in the moment. That combination changes everything. Because people don't fall toward emotional walls. They fall toward emotional safety. Have you ever noticed how some people make others feel instantly comfortable without speaking much? That's emotional regulation. People emotionally mirror each other unconsciously. Calm nervous systems calm other nervous systems. Grounded energy affects emotional environments, and humans are deeply affected by emotional environments, even when they cannot explain it logically. The truth is, most attraction isn't created through perfect words. It's created through emotional experience. How someone feels around you, how their nervous system reacts around you, whether your energy creates tension or peace. That's why some conversations are forgettable immediately, while one silent moment with the right person stays in your head for years. People who become memorable without speaking much also understand emotional timing. They don't force interactions constantly. They allow space, and space creates emotional value. Think about music for a second. Without pauses, music becomes noise. Human connection works similarly. Constant talking removes emotional depth sometimes. Silence creates rhythm, emotional pacing, psychological tension, and tension creates memorability. Most people don't realize how much emotional attraction depends on self-connection. If someone feels disconnected from themselves, they usually chase attention externally, but emotionally grounded people already feel internally connected, so their behavior slows down naturally. They stop forcing moments, and ironically, that's exactly what makes people notice them more. Because emotional neediness repels attention. Emotional groundedness attracts it. Have you ever felt someone's presence before they even spoke? it's not imagination. Humans constantly read emotional signals unconsciously. Facial tension, breathing patterns, eye movement, energy shifts. And emotionally intelligent people often become highly aware of these signals naturally. That awareness changes how they move socially. More intentional, more calm, more emotionally controlled. And emotional control feels attractive because it feels safe. There's something beautiful about being noticed without performance, without pretending, without chasing validation, just through calm presence. And maybe that's why silent attraction feels deeper sometimes, because it feels real, not forced, not manipulative, just emotional connection forming naturally between two nervous systems. So if you've ever wondered how to make someone notice you without talking, maybe the answer is not becoming louder. Maybe it's becoming more emotionally present, more grounded, more connected to yourself. Because people feel emotional authenticity instinctively, and authenticity leaves emotional fingerprints on human memory. In the end, the people who stay in our minds longest are rarely the ones who talk the most. They're usually the ones who made us feel something quietly. A strange curiosity, a calm tension, a feeling we couldn't fully explain afterward. And maybe that's the most powerful kind of attraction there is. The kind that happens before words even begin.